Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Tony's Chocolonely Dark Chocolate Sea Salt. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So this is a 180 gram big bar of Tony's Chocolonely Dark Chocolate Sea Salt. And taking a look at the back of the packet, there is some information about Tony's Chocolonely's mission, as well as nutritional information and ingredients. And taking a look around the sides of the packet. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by, of course, peeling off the paper wrapper to reveal the 180 gram bar of chocolate. Of course, it's wrapped in golden foil right here. Let's put it to the side, and there is some information and story about Tony's Chocolonely, as well as its mission. Okay, so bringing the bar back in view, just giving you some idea of the size of the bar in my palm right there, 180 grams in weight. It is Tony's Chocolonely Big Bar. Now let's peel open the foil to reveal the chocolate. So let's tear the foil open to reveal the dark almond sea salt chocolate bar. So revealing the underside of the chocolate bar, you can see the uneven lumps and texture of the base or bottom of the chocolate bar, and flipping it right up to give you a look at the top side of the bar. You can see there is the broken chain link symbolizing the anti-slave, as well as the Tony's Chocolonely logo or branding right there. And you can see that the segments are all uneven across the length of the chocolate bar. And to give you some idea of the thickness right there, taking a look at the side profile, and you can see the coloration of the bar. It is, of course, on the darker side with a 51% cocoa content. And right there, the bar's snapped in half under its own weight, and of course, I'm sure it must have sustained a bit of shock and damage during transportation. And just to give you a look at the cross-section, conveniently, of the chocolate bar, you can see very, very large pieces, once you can get the camcorder to focus right there, of the almond pieces across the chocolate bar. And let's bring it in even closer so you can see the very fine detail. So you can see the smoothness of the chocolate, as well as the big almond pieces dotted across the chocolate bar. And right there, once again, the undersides of the chocolate bar and top side. And to give you that full and clear view, let me just turn it right round so it's the right way up with the text and branding facing upwards. So right there, the Tony's Chocolonely Dark Chocolate Almond Sea Salt. And let's now take a taste by breaking off a piece. And you can hear that really sharp and loud snap. And once again, give you a look at that cross section. And I'm going to break the smaller piece into a smaller section to taste. So once again, bring it down even further right here, and popping the smaller piece in my mouth. So chocolate is firm yet smooth, and of course with the large almond pieces in there, nice and crunchy, providing that texture in the chocolate bar. Now let's pop in this larger piece for a fuller taste. So a nice, smooth and consistent flavor of the dark chocolate, as well as the large crunchy pieces of almond in the chocolate bar. So that's the Tony's Chocolonely Dark Almond Sea Salt. Thanks for watching and happy eating!